Hey guys, it's your boy Jesse, and I'm here with.
Your girl Charity.
And now we're here for a walkthrough here with Dollar Tree, Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day! We're going to take you a quick walkthrough here, let you guys know what's in the store, so you know before you go. All right, checking it out real quick here. We got this wreath here. Comes in all different colors of the heart and glitter. So if you're into that glittery stuff, and I think all girls love glitter, so you know what's going on with that. Right over here we got balloons. I've never seen this before, guys. This is crazy. These are heart-shaped balloons that has confetti inside it. Right above that there's actual heart-shaped balloons. I mean, seriously, for $1? Blow them up.
Different colors,
It's
very
different
colorful.
all right, so you blow it up yourself. Right over here you got a teddy bear. He's holding a love sign. And more decoration, but you can attach that to anything. Right below it here, this is a big heart-shaped decor, and this is actually chalkboard as well, so you can write your own little message, guys. Hint, hint, you know what I'm saying? Get out of the doghouse, you know what's up. And then right over here, there's definitely gift bags. Each one of this big has a lot of glitter on this one, but it has love. You have a heart one that has multiple hearts. It looks like it's three-dimensional. You have one below that that says Happy Valentine's Day.
We have more items here. These are like headbands, different colors, all for $1, guys. What we're doing here is trying to, help save money. Good value for your money. You don't have to go around, shopping for very expensive things when you can get them, at low cost and get the same value. Or another cardboard. There's another board. Yeah, you can write nice things on this for your loved ones. DIY. Do it yourself, guys, and you save a lot of money. That's what we're doing here. So we're moving over. Oh, look at this. These are beautiful scarves that you can get. Head scarves that you can get. Different types of scarves. Very colorful. You can get for your loved ones. They are all for $1.
Kinds.
Yeah. And we also have gifts, wrapping papers here, all for $1, guys. And over here, I'm gonna show you this knee-high socks. They are different colors. Look at this. It has different names in it. Ready to Flamingo. That's pretty cool. Ready to Flamingo. I'm sure whoever you're getting this for, they would love it. They would definitely appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice pretty bow. It has the shape of a heart. All for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, you can get pretty creative with this too, guys. Check it out. So I'm going to show you right down here. So you have this heart bowl. Check it out. All right, if you're creative, put a teddy bear in there, candy, whatever you want. Cover it up with another one on top of it. Okay, seal this up with like tape on it. Check it out.
That comes out nice.
Look at this. Put it
Oh my
together.
God,
Tape
yeah.
the sides together. She's gonna say, "Oh my God, what did you get me?"
It's all
Opens
about
it up and it's gonna be candy and
DIY.
teddy bear. That's gonna be pretty cool, guys.
It's all about DIY. Do it yourself, guys. And yeah, candy. This is creamy caramel hearts candy, chocolate candy. They have those here, and they have different types. This is Airheads minibars. Airhead minibars here. Look at that much, and it's all for $1.
Look at this here. You got craft bottles. Okay, guys. You got craft bottles. Get crafty. Okay. These are plastic, so don't have to worry about breaking it. They look nice. You can throw extra stuff inside there. Walk you right over here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This she's gonna love. Okay, they're battery operated lights. Let's get you a close up of that. LED light string. So you want to wrap it around things. That's pretty cool. Just above that, these baskets.
Here we have some of the teddy bears.
Of course, you got to throw a teddy bear in there. So they have all different ones. They have a dark chocolate bear. Who doesn't like a cute teddy bear?
One. Hug me, hug me, hug me.
It's a doggy.
Cool.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a doggy. So that's pretty cool. Let's walk you right over here. Just finishing up here. all different stuff. You got bows, you have this, you have garland, you have more pens that you want to throw in. So don't forget, this isn't, Valentine's, you think about a loved one. So it's not necessarily just your guy or girl. You can definitely put baskets together for your teacher. I know that most of the kids are online, and back to school, but they're doing online, so that might be tough. But if you want to send something to somebody, or grandma, or something like that, that's kind of pretty cool too. So you can throw this stuff together. So I'm just kind of walk you through quickly. So we have also, just to top it off and finish it off, definitely has all sorts of chocolate, right? Look at this. You don't have to spend lots of money on chocolate. Okay, you got chocolate, you got this, you have a heart-shaped box that has sour heads. Then you have all the different heart-shaped chocolates as well. Each one of these, $1, guys. Checking it right through. Look at this. Cuddle Buddies. White peanut butter hearts. All right. I'm more of a white chocolate guy. This is definitely one. So she doesn't like chocolates, or he doesn't like chocolates. There you go. Something like this. All right, guys. This is pretty cool. This is gift baskets bag to put the bag together. Cool.
Thank you, guys.
So I'll just walk you through a couple more things, but okay. Anyways, you guys get the idea of what we're doing here. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and
We hope to see you soon in our next video, DIY most likely. Yeah. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now. And from Jesse.
all right, guys. We took you through the store. We definitely showed you a couple of items. Here to put your Dollar Tree, and stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and we'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye.